Did you know that your child's nutrition affects their energy, immunity, brain development, and overall growth? Poor nutrition can have silent effects that accumulate over time. In this video, we will explore symptoms, causes, long-term effects, and practical solutions for childhood malnutrition. Look at this child, tired, drained, struggling to keep his eyes open even with books right in front of him. One of the earliest red flags of poor nutrition is constant fatigue and weakness. When a child lacks essential nutrients like iron, protein, and vitamins, their body simply doesn't have the fuel to stay active, play, or even stay awake during the day. They tire quickly and seem low on energy all the time. Now notice the pale skin and that sad, low-energy expression. Pale skin and low energy often point to anemia from iron deficiency or overall undernutrition. The child looks washed out, has dark circles under the eyes, and just doesn't have that healthy glow. Their body is screaming for more nourishment. Here we see him holding his head, looking frustrated and lost while trying to study. Difficulty concentrating is a huge warning sign. Malnutrition affects the brain directly. Kids struggle to focus, remember things, or learn new skills. School performance drops, and they may seem forgetful or easily distracted because vital nutrients for brain development are missing. And finally, frequent illnesses. Sneezing, fever, runny nose, again and again. Frequent illnesses happen because poor nutrition weakens the immune system. A malnourished child catches every bug going around, takes longer to recover, and gets sick more often. What should be a quick cold turns into weeks of misery. These signs are connected, and they're telling us something important. Poor nutrition isn't just about food. It's stealing our children's energy, focus, health, and future. But the great news? We can spot these early and turn things around with balanced meals, key nutrients, and simple daily changes. Let's look at the main causes of poor nutrition in kids. Things we can actually change at home. First up, iron deficiency. Without enough iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, and beans, kids get tired fast, weak, and pale, robbing them of energy to play and grow. Next, vitamin deficiency. Skipping fruits, veggies, eggs, and colorful produce means missing vitamins A, C, and more, leading to weak immunity, poor vision, and slow healing. Then, excess sugar and junk food. Too much soda, candy, and fast food crowds out real nutrition, causing energy crashes, weight issues, and even mood swings in growing kids. And last, irregular meals. Skipping breakfast or eating at random times disrupts blood sugar, focus, and growth, leaving children hungry, cranky, and undernourished. These common causes are fixable. Simple swaps and consistent habits can protect your child's health and future. Poor nutrition doesn't just affect a child's body, it can change their entire future. Let's look at some of the serious impacts. Stunted growth. Kids end up much shorter than they should be for their age, like this little one barely reaching the 3-year mark on the height chart. Chronic undernutrition robs them of reaching their full potential height and strength. Delayed cognitive development. The brain suffers too. Trouble focusing, learning, and remembering, with books and ideas swirling in confusion. Malnutrition in early years slows brain growth, making school and thinking harder for years to come. Dental problems. Weak teeth and gums show up early. Crooked, discolored, or decaying teeth from missing key nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. This leads to pain, infections, and eating difficulties. Behavioral changes and learning difficulties. Kids become irritable, withdrawn, or frustrated, with tired eyes and low mood. Poor nutrition affects emotions and behavior, making it tough to concentrate, play, or learn effectively. These effects are heartbreaking, but they're often preventable. With better nutrition now, we can protect brains, bodies, and bright futures. The great news? Poor nutrition is preventable, and the fix starts with simple, everyday choices at home. Fruits and vegetables. Load up on colorful produce like broccoli, apples, carrots, and greens. They deliver essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber to boost immunity, growth, and overall health. Proteins and iron include eggs, beans, lentils, and lean meats or plant-based options. These build strong muscles, support brain development, and fight anemia by keeping energy high. Hydration. Make sure kids drink plenty of water every day. Staying hydrated helps digestion, concentration, and keeps their bodies running smoothly. Skip sugary drinks. Balanced meals and healthy habits. Serve regular, varied meals with portions from all food groups, like rice with veggies and protein. Build routines, consistent meal times, family eating together, and fun ways to try new foods. With these small changes, we can give our children the nutrition they need to grow tall, think sharp, stay healthy, and thrive. Thank you for watching Pedia Daily Tips. Subscribe for more child health advice, like and share to help more families, and let's keep our kids strong together. See you next time.